We are starting lecture number 1 for the level Senior 2. We have two topics to cover in the month of March. Number 1 is the Hadith 13th and number 2, Ethics, chapter from the book. Hadith 13, here is the complete review. The importance of the recitation is the topic of the Hadith number 13th. Translation: He who studies the Quran is like the owner of the tethered camels. If he attends to them, he will keep hold of them, but if he lets them loose, they will go away. In this particular hadith, the importance of recitation or the one who memorized the Quran is discussed. Since the Holy Quran is the foundation of our religion and the main source of all Islamic teachings, it is the complete book for the guidance of the mankind to the right path. It seeks to guide man in all spheres of the life material and the spiritual as well. Therefore, it is recommended by the Holy Prophet, those who have memorized the Holy Quran, they need to study it on the daily basis. In this hadith, in the Arabic, it is termed as Sahib al-Quran for the one who recited the Quran or who has committed the Quran to his memory. When camel and the reciter is here equivalent to the tethered camel. For example, when a camel is constantly supervised, he is looked after and he is under the control. He won't flee. But similarly, if a person who constantly recites and memorizes the Quran and is vigilant enough not to slip off his mind, it becomes a source of his spiritual benefit. When a person becomes indifferent to it, when a person is not going to recite it on daily basis, when a person is not going to ponder over its meaning, so sure the Quran is going to slip out of his mind. Prophet also led importance towards the reciter and also the memorizer. When the Quran recitation is neglected, the process becomes slow. It means whenever you are going to neglect the recitation, you are not going to cover the recitation in the portions of the day and night, it is going to slip off your mind. The Prophet also said, who reads the Quran and commits it to memory and knows it all the lawful and the unlawful things, Allah is going to admit him in the paradise, inshallah. So, the lesson when learned from this Hadith 13 is that if we have learned the Quran, we have to recite it on the daily basis. And as we can see, we are compared here with the tethered camels. Hope this lecture delivers the particular message.